In this video, I'll show you how to deploy from GitHub to Netlify. First, open your web browser and sign in to both your GitHub and Netlify accounts. Make sure your project has already been pushed to a GitHub repository before continuing. Next, open Netlify and click Add New Site, then select Import an existing project. Choose GitHub as your Git provider and authorize Netlify to access your GitHub account if prompted. Now, browse your repositories and select the project you want to deploy. Netlify will automatically detect your project's framework and suggest the appropriate build settings. Review the build command and publish directory, and make any changes if your project requires a different configuration. After that, if your application uses API keys or other sensitive information, add them in the environment variables section before deploying. Once everything is ready, click Deploy Site and wait while Netlify builds and publishes your project. Finally, when the deployment is complete, Netlify will provide a live URL for your website. Open the URL to verify that your site is working correctly. From now on, every time you push changes to your GitHub repository, Netlify can automatically build and deploy the latest version of your site. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to deploy from GitHub to Netlify. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.